So finally, after a few months, here's your brand new drifter van.
Oh my gosh, Kathleen did a fabulous job. It's beautiful. This is home. Morgan, this is home.
Wow. The orange is pretty nice.
Look. Yeah.
Really.
All the credit goes to Kathleen for the design.
Oh my goodness. Look, Morgan. Oh, look at this. This is wonderful too. Refrigerator. Woo!
Is it cold in there?
And our little cupboards.
Get your cupboards to hang out.
Oh my gosh, those look huge. Morgan, yeah, Morgan Mandy.
Yeah, it's
Morgan
finished.
Mandy. What do you
Yeah.
think? Morgan Mandy.
That one up.
Oh man, I love it. You know, orange is my favorite color, and Kathleen did a wonderful job, and blue is Griff's. So we got some Griff going on in here. So yes, oh my gosh, Kathleen did a fabulous job. It's beautiful. What do you think, Morgan?